Every time I want to read a file in my Python, I just click the file and click copy path and then paste the file location on my Python script and click run. And every time I do that, I always encounter a Unicode escape error. So the solution is put R in front of the file location and then click run module again and click OK. This time you succeed to read the file. And another solution is erase the R character and put another slash in front of the slash. So like this. And now click run again, then click OK. And this time also you succeed to read the file. And the last solution is replace all the slash with another different slash like this. And now click run again and click run module again. And this time you also succeed to read the file. Thank you very much.